picture?
Are you kidding me? Okay.
No, restart.
Alright. Hey!
Hi!
Today we're here with an unboxing video.
Of batteries!
You can't unbox those.
I can.
Alright. Right here we have the
What do you say?
Echo Dot fabric case. This is the charcoal color.
Charcoal?
See?
Yeah, see?
Charcoal.
That's awesome.
Stop with the battery. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this for you.
Yes, it's gonna
See?
be me.
I'm not, you know. Okay.
Yes.
First, we're gonna take the top. Oh look, there's a handy sticker telling you where to rip it off. Okay, that's cool. Get your hand out of the frame.
Look at the debit card, though.
Ooh. Not, that's what's in the package.
I don't think they can see anything.
That's what's in the package.
That's awesome.
Okay. Let's see, let's take it out. I like the color of the box. Nice, Amazon. You're really good. There's nothing else. No
Nice.
stickers or
Yay.
anything.
Whoa.
Great job, no stickers.
Ah, bug.
What?
Bug.
Okay,
Ow.
there, I killed it for you.
It wasn't even on my hand anymore.
Okay, there.
Why is there a foot?
You're ruining the video.
Damn,
See,
boy.
here it is. It's a donut shape.
Really?
What?
So that everybody knows it's a donut shape.
And here is
Whoa.
the... Wow, this feels nice. Here, feel it.
Oh, whoa.
What?
It feels
Okay.
weird.
See? Here it is.
Yeah, here it is.
Now, I don't have my Echo Dot yet because it's delivering tomorrow. So, I'll continue this video tomorrow and I'll show you how well it fits in this case. Stop. You were ruining the video.
Hey guys, also look at this debit card.
Don't show my debit card.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, and there it is. All right, bye. Say bye.
Say bye.
Get in the frame.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say
Okay.
bye.
I said bye.